press for making it here for this wonderful occasion. An important step that DTDC is taking towards its development in this region. Before I speak a little more about our focus and plans for Mangalore area, I think I want to highlight to you that as a company that's been close to 29 years in business now, especially focusing on the core express parcel market, I think we've seen tremendous growth with all the developments that are happening in India today, whether it be in the industrial side, on the e-commerce side. DTDC is clearly poised to be one of the leading parcel players. Speaking specifically about this investment of ours, we know in the state of Karnataka, which itself is one of the most brightest states, one of the fastest growing states, but within that, outside of the Bangalore territory, I think this territory, which is headquartered here in Bangalore, representing the coastal part of the state, with very important regional connectivity, I think is a very important area for development of the industry, for development of the market. We know this is a very thriving area where not only there's a huge consumer demand, we know Mangalore and the surrounding belts stands for a very important educational center. We know for a fact that some of the most influential and important banks which are regional and important for this part of the country are actually headquartered and centered over here. So understanding that need, understanding the demand, understanding the growth in e-commerce, understanding the growth in large parcels as more and more ground business is growing, therefore we decided to make a big shift. Where we were earlier present was a facility which was much smaller in comparison to this. This is more than 6 to 7 times a growth in terms of our size. With this investment, we are planning to see at least 3 to 4 years worth of growth can be covered. We expect that there will be much more demand coming from this market. We want to go deeper into the territory, not only based out of Mangalore and some of the other related important centers like maybe Karwar, Udupi, Kasaragod, or just apart from those centers which are still well known, we want to go deeper into the Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets, because that's where the growth is going to come. And this investment, this facility and all the infrastructure that we have created over here will take us one step closer to that. We know that we have a huge responsibility not only towards the people of this belt, but also we know that by creating these investments, by growing our business along with all our channel partners who are an important and integral part of our business, we know we make a contribution to the society in terms of the number of jobs and employment as well that gets created, and we know that helps in making a stronger and better India. So that's a part of our overall initiative and focus as an organization, and we continue to seek the support of all our customers, all our well-wishers, our service providers, to continue to make better growth and hopefully get more opportunities to not only do business but spread more smiles and continue to do what we as a company are known for, which is delivering value to each and every stakeholder. Now I would like to hand over to our chairman to speak a few words.
Yes, thank you for coming in spite of your busy schedules and appointment. I'm very happy that 28 years before, when I came from Calcutta to start the business in the state of Karnataka, many people ask this question to me, that why in Karnataka you started this business? Because I felt that when I started in Bangalore, there is the most important support I could get from the people. And one such fellow who has supported us to take this business to the bigger height is Mr. Sumant Kumar, who is the local person. Sumant heads from Bangalore. He came all the way to there to start the business. We had a long-term dream. Sumant has a long-term dream that we have to do something in his own place, which is Mangalore, Udupi, Manipal and this segment. 12 years before, when I came over here, that time we had only one office, practically 1 or 2 offices and 5 or 10 people working here. 12 years after, today DTDC is present in 20 countries, right from USA, UK, China, Australia, Singapore, Hong Kong, and Saudi Arabia, Middle East, and every place covering the Gulf region. The important part today, having opening office in Bangalore, is our international market. Abhishek covered that whole domestic market, how we are covering, e-commerce, how we are covering, but international market is another big target for us. As I said that after 12 years, we are today 37 offices only in this region. and more than 250 people have got the job. The journey what Suman started today with this office, which is Abhishek said 6 times bigger than our current office. Our target is to take these offices in the next 3 years in this sector, 75 offices and 500 new employment. With economical growth, with e-commerce growth, with the way digitization is happening, DTDC is only one Indian express company fighting with all multinational company came from USA or Germany or Europe. We are the only Indian company fighting and being the #1 in network express. We are at 10,500 offices in India. As I said, 20 odd offices in abroad. We have more than 52,000 people working in this company. And next 3 years, possibly with e-commerce, the way it is growing, this number will cross 100,000 people. One single Indian company started 20 years before from a small place in Bangalore and Karnataka state. We are creating revolution in the country today. We are the torch bearer of Indian entrepreneur in India. We are fighting it. We are growing it. We are creating new employment. We are creating new economy for our government and for the local people. I am sure this new office which we dedicated now for our company and for the people of Mangalore and this sector will take care of all the service need, all the e-commerce need, all the parcel need, all the international need, all their good storage need. Everything can be fulfilled from here. Most interesting point, this particular city is the one city where we have seaport, where we have an airport, also a railway station like we have in Mumbai or Chennai. Utilizing this opportunity, we are going to increase our business in manifold. We are the one first company today started from Mangalore, direct flight to Mumbai as well as Bangalore. That means if a packet picked up in Mangalore, Udupi, Manipal at night also, next day morning we can deliver at all these important locations. At the same time, within 48 hours, we can take these packets up to the UK or maybe in New York. This is the benefit of having office over here, and I'm sure we will be benefited, people will be benefited, a lot of employment will be created, and our customer over here will get our service as the way they expect, or more than that. Thank you. That is right from Udupi, Manipal, Mangalore, only on this segment.
In the next 3 years?
Next 3 years. The reason is again, e-commerce is moving. Our business is now moving to the village because everybody cannot come to Mangalore to buy in the mall their goods. People are buying in a village their goods, but the goods has to be reached, and that is the demand is coming for that. Because of this demand, we took 12 years to come from 2 office to 37 office, but we will only take maximum 3 years to take 37 to 75.
What are your plans for Pan-India?
Pan-India, as I said to you, there's a network. DTDC is covering more than now around 11,000 zip code, pin code. Today we are talking about growth. Growth means reaching the interior part of the country. And this pin code will cross more than 15,000 within next 1 year. And that's the growth we are talking about. As I said, the Pan-India, our employee number, our direct people who are involved in DTDC, franchisee, employees, everybody will cross 100,000. That's the kind of growth DTDC will bring it.
Sir, do you have any tie-ups with these e-commerce giants such as Amazon?
Yes, we are managing the Amazon's entire fulfillment center. The entire books of Amazon's fulfillment center in Hyderabad and Mumbai is processed from our fulfillment center. The Flipkarts, another big giant. Flipkarts, this particular Big Billion Day, what you are seeing it, Big Billion Day, we are handling more than 60,000 packets per day and more than 15,000 packets only in this region. It's just next to the Kerala region. Such a big movement is happening today. We have a link with the Paytm, we have a link with the Amazon, we have a link with the Flipkart. All top company is our customer. As we say that we are the only Indian company 29 years old. And we have the highest number of network in the country. Right from Leh Ladakh to the Kanyakumari. This is the strength. We deliver even in all the northeastern states. So that's the beauty of DTDC company. Today, DTDC is the one Indian Express company has the courage to open in America. Already we are in America. We are in US. We are in Canada. We are in UK. This year, we opened our office in another Europe gateway is Germany, Frankfurt. So we are covering entire Europe. Come back to the Middle East. We are the one company covering entire Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia, everybody cannot operate. We are operating it. We are in the entire UAE segment to take care of the entire Gulf region. So covering the Middle East, right? Coming back to the Europe again, French government's Geopost is the partner of DTDC, is a stakeholder in DTDC. And with this, they are the second biggest network in the Europe. So we are covering the entire Europe. So when you say the dream of covering the world, by a small Indian company started from Bangalore 28 years before, you see how they did it. We are in Pakistan, we are in Nepal, we are in Bangladesh, we are in Sri Lanka, we are in Bhutan, we are in Maldives. We are in Singapore, and through Singapore we cover entire Indonesia, Malaysia, Vietnam, all this segment, Philippines. We are in Hong Kong today, covering the bigger unit of this. We are in Beijing, we are in Shanghai, we are in Sydney, we are in Melbourne, we are in Myanmar. So imagine the network. So I think that, as you said, the dream, I only take a dream that one day our Indian people like all of us can expand our system to the world. Whole world coming to India. Why not Indian people can go and operate into their country? That's the dream we are fulfilling today.
Sir, talking to the volumes, the business volume, but the presence is different and business volume are different. So where will you be, sir, completely in the global scenario?
See, we are growing our international outgoing business volume growing by 22% every year.
22% every year.
Every year. So you can imagine the more and more customers. Like we're in Mangalore. Once we open in Mangalore, many people who are international giving to other players, they will come to us. Because they know that DTDC is directly connecting here to Mumbai, Mumbai to Dubai next morning. Here to Mumbai, Mumbai to New York next morning. Here to Mumbai, Mumbai to Singapore next morning. That capability we are building it. Today the cargo belly space is so much available today. The belly space in all the airlines. It is not necessary for us to reinvent into another business where we have no expertise. Because so many aircrafts are coming from US to India, UK to India, Singapore to India. How many? Earlier only one Singapore Airlines or Air India. But you see for Singapore, we have SpiceJet, we have Indigo, and so many. Every day from every airport, like Bangalore, we have 6 flights going to Singapore today. Just for example, more than 6 flights going to Dubai today. So today this is the immaterial. Earlier days it was necessary. Today it is not necessary. There's so much of belly space available today.
For e-commerce, the total e-commerce industry, of course, is quite large. It's anywhere in the range of close to 6 to 7 million shipments that are happening in this period. Maybe a little bit more if you take all the other medium range players as well. But DTDC itself in the last 20 odd days have handled more than 1 million shipments of e-commerce all across the country, every segment.
That includes Amazon, Flipkart and...
Yeah, it includes everybody, all the big players, but of course the medium and the smaller players as well. They've been handled by people.
And the common, in the media we get the news about some of these shipments coming out with fake items. Let's say a brick goes instead of a mobile phone.